Okay, my clarinet friends, this is our daily drill, all put together with no stops. My tempo is 72. Remember, I'm starting on open G, then going to F with thumb, E, thumb and 1, D, thumb 1, 2, and then C, thumb 1, 2, 3. My clarinet is balanced the whole time on my thumb rest, and I'm pressing up onto my top teeth so that my embouchure stays the same. All right, let's go. My turn first. 1, 2. Your turn. Hold off. 3, 2. Your turn. Breathe. 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2, 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2, 2, 2. Change to F. Your turn. Breathe. F. Keep your fingers closed. Breathe. F. Breathe. 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2, 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2, 2, 2. Here's E. Breathe. 2. Breathe. 2. Breathe. 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2, 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2, 2, 2. Change to D. Breathe. 2. Breathe. 2. Breathe. for all those holes. Your turn. Breathe. C. Breathe. 2. Breathe. 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2. Breathe. 2, 2, 2, 2. Keep those notes touching. Breathe. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, you did it. Make sure to do that every day as a warm-up.